Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect visitor from different postal to different page or custom URL using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to redirect visitor based on postal code. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title, and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select JavaScript. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to redirect visitor based on postal code, and then you see data.postal. So this is our postal code, and then you see we are going to fetch user information using this link, API request page 1, you see variable, and then you see variable 2 page 2. So you can add custom URL link according to your requirement. If our visitor come from this postal address, then redirect to page 1, and then if our visitor come from this postal code, then we are going to redirect to page 2. Now you see data.postal. Now open this link ipinfo.io JSON. So this is our link open. Now you see IP address, host name, city, region, country, location, and then you see postal. So this postal code we are using in custom code. Now back to code. So you can add postal code according to your requirement. Also you can add page URL, custom URL according to your requirement. And if you want to add more postal, then copy as if and then paste, and then change postal code, and then change page 2 variable to page 3, page 4, anything according to your requirement, and then scroll up, copy this line and then paste, and then use same variable here, page 2. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, site wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Now open website. So our postal code is 46,000. Now open our website, and then you see redirect to another website we added in custom code. Again open our website. Now you see our website, and then redirect to another website we added in custom code. Now you see back to code. So you can add URL and postal code according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.